Hello, my name is Neji, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to build your own paste extruder. In order to make one, you will need to use the user manual on our website. There you can find all the files which you need for completing this project. Step 1 is to order the parts we have listed there. After receiving these, progress to the next one, which is laser cutting all the flat parts. If possible, use discarded materials or reuse some from old projects you may have. The only important point here is that you should be looking for sheet materials with a 6 mm thickness. Remember to make test pieces first, as tolerances of different laser cutters and materials may vary. Next, 3D print all the plastic parts of the extruder. Please follow the guidelines provided in our manual, and you will be ready for the final step. Let's assemble our new extruder. So after laser cutting all the parts needed and 3D printing the rest, we need to assemble them together. Let's start with the flat ones. On the middle part, you'll see that there are 3 holes where you need to put the self-threaded screws. After that, you need to take the other side panels and also the 2 syringe holder parts. If they're too tight, you can apply some force. Okay, so there's 2 other white parts. If you hear a click, that's good. Let's put the first side. Usually it should be super easy because they're press fit. However, it really depends on the tolerances of your laser cutter. So if you need some extra force, you can do that. After that, we need some screws to attach the stepper motor to the top of the frame. Make sure to check that the screw holes on the top are a bit larger than the bottom ones, because the screw head should go inside. So that's on the top. So if you place it like that, this is the front side of your extruder. Please take your stepper motor and place the cable outlet on the back side, so it's like this. Once you're sure which position is the correct one, turn it upside down and put the 4 screws that hold the stepper motor in place. Once it's tightly fastened, then we can place it on its position. Now we need the hexagonal nuts, and we have to place them on the side over here, which is an opening looking like an upside down letter T. Once it's in its position, we have to tighten the screw from the top side of the hole. Repeat the process with the other 3 screw holes. And finally, secure the bottom part of the frame. Again, the larger opening should be on the top, where the screw head should go. Make sure to put the hex nut in the T bracket. Once you're ready, leave it aside for a second. Take the 3D printed plunger and place the brass nut on top. Align it with the 4 screw holes that you have on the parts. Take 4 screws and tighten them securely. Now you have to take your coupling and place your lead screw. It might be too tight, so use an Allen key to unscrew a little bit of the 2 screws that are located on your coupling. And tighten them. Then please put the thread of the lead screw to your brass nut. Once you're done with it, please take the black cap from the syringe and place it to the bottom of your new plunger. Take the syringe and place the plunger inside. And lastly, we will need to place our new extruder to our 3D printer. Align the screw holes on the back side of the mount with the mount holes of the 3D printer. Take a screw and attach the extruder. Now you can place also your syringe in its correct position. Push it up so it fits with your coupling. Tighten the 2 screws of the coupling. Now you can push down the syringe and place it in its position. Place the cable that comes with the extruder to the back side of it. The other side should go to the motherboard below. Tilt your 3D printer on the side. With the use of an Allen key, open the box and connect the other end of the cable with the motherboard. And you're ready to go! Happy printing!